Hello everyone, welcome to the Zintilon AMA series. In today's video, I will answer some frequently asked questions about Zintilon. Zintilon is a one-stop precision parts manufacturer. We are dedicated to providing better manufacturing service to customers around the world. We offer a wide range of precision manufacturing service, from rapid prototyping to on-demand production, including CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, metal casting, 3D printing, vacuum casting, and surface treatments. We look forward to partnering with you to turn every idea in reality. Zintilon was founded in 2014. However, our management team, including the general manager, production manager, and the quality manager, all have more than 20 years of experience in precision manufacturing. Zintilon has a dedicated team of over 400 professionals, including sales engineers, technical engineers, mechanical operators, quality inspectors. We are committed to providing the best service and delivering high-quality parts to our customers. Yes, we have our own factories. We set up our first factory in Shenzhen in 2014. In 2016, we opened a second factory in Nanning. In 2019, we expanded the Shenzhen factory. In 2022, we opened a branch in Beiliu. In 2023, we set up a sheet metal workshop. In 2024, we expanded our headquarters factory again. Now, the whole factory covers an area of about 24,000 square meters. In addition to multiple advanced in-house factories and one-stop manufacturing solutions, we also have strong soft power support. We use an efficient internal order management system to ensure transparency and efficient operation from order receipt, production scheduling to logistical delivery, helping you keep track of project process in real time. Moreover, we have a service point in Hong Kong, Singapore, and North America, enabling us to quickly respond to the needs of global customers. No matter where you are, our professional team can provide you with a timely and accurate service. At Zintilon, experienced sales engineer will provide you with one-to-one service to ensure a quick response to every question. We committed to supporting your project comprehensively through advanced technology, a completed supply chain, and a global service network. We have provide professional precision manufacturing service to over 1,000 customers from around 50 countries, mainly from United States and Europe, and have completed more than 10,000 projects.